If a crack width varies along its length, you should match support and sealant sizing to each segment so the repair performs uniformly. Assess the crack by running a continuous measurement along its entire length using a rigid ruler or gap gauge, and mark segments where width changes by more than 1/8 of an inch. For narrow sections, use a smaller diameter backer rod, and for wider sections, select a larger diameter so each section receives a snug, compressible filler that sits slightly below the finished surface. Cut backer rod in lengths that can be compressed into place with a blunt tool and ensure no gaps remain between adjacent pieces by overlapping ends slightly and compressing them together. When the backer rod is set, apply sealant in a steady bead sized to fill from the surface down to the backer rod, with light tooling to remove trapped air and to form a uniform surface bond. Use a sealant compatible with both substrate and expected movement. For exterior cracks, choose a product rated for ultraviolet and temperature cycling. Allow full cure time before subjecting the repair to traffic or paint as specified on the sealant technical data sheet. A common issue is choosing a single backer rod size for the whole crack, which leads to voids or overcompression. Solve this by preparing multiple diameters and fitting each segment individually. Another frequent problem is leaving gaps between backer rod sections that trap sealant and cause failure. Fix that by overlapping and compressing ends so the sealant rests on a continuous compressible backing. Third, many people apply too shallow a sealant bead, which does not accommodate movement. Address this by ensuring the finished sealant depth follows manufacturer recommendations and tooling creates full contact with the sides of the crack. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and projects so we can compare similar repairs and read experiences from other homeowners. We also help contractors find work by providing a place to showcase their services and join our discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot variable condition repairs together.